Hello guys, it is me, Pittsburgh Place here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today, in this video, as you might have read on the title, we will be doing website shortcuts. And so basically what we do here, so we have our little sticky notes, whatever you want to call it, and it is a list of whatever we have to do. So first of all, we have our undo, redo, bold text. We're going to start off with copy and paste. Alright, so Ctrl C. So first of all, we're going to just copy these random words. No pictures, just text. Then we're going to press Ctrl C. So after we're done that, wherever you want to do it, we're just going to go to word. Yes, I didn't activate it. And we're going to press Ctrl V. So Ctrl V is paste. So we're here on 2 pages, as you can see. That's about enough. Alright. And right after that, so we're gonna see what else do we have. So we have our Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy paste. We're done that. And now Ctrl Z undo. Alright, so people wonder about like what is undo. So pretend we're just gonna whatever. Oops, it's too much to delete, right? We could just simply press Ctrl Z. And to Ctrl Z, that is to undo. So in Ctrl Z, we could undo whatever we just did. Ctrl Y, redo, and Ctrl B, bold text. Oh, trouble here. Alright, so we're just gonna write hi, whatever, yeah. Control, which one is it? Ctrl B. Like that. And we're gonna press Ctrl E. And all of a sudden we have bold text, alright? Just like I said here, and then like that. Ctrl B, bold text. Ctrl I to select the text in italics. So we're going to do Ctrl I. And yep, there we go. We got Ctrl U, underline text. Ctrl U. And there we go. It's underlined. Alright, so that's perfect. And now Ctrl A to select all. So we don't have to do all of that, whatever. All we can do is just press Ctrl and A. Ctrl A, we got all of that. What else got? Save current file. Alright, so if you don't have automatic save, I would recommend pressing Ctrl S. Just like what came very useful to me when I edit my videos, it is Ctrl Z. If I cut something by accident, I can just press Ctrl Z and it's gonna do it back. So like in this one, it is save current file, so sometimes crashes, you gotta press Ctrl S, and then all of a sudden it saves. So whatever we did, yeah, right there we go. It's working on it, so we could just save it as super gallery, whatever we choose. Then we got cut selected. So we're gonna select something and press Ctrl X, was it? Yeah. Ctrl X, boom, it's cut out. So that means it's not completely. So we just press Ctrl Z and bring it back. Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl Z to bring it back. So we got that selected, now copy paste, and now Ctrl N to end the document. Like if there are 13 pages on this. So N is on the top of your keyboard, most likely on the right side, top right. It's all at the end. So if it's not on your keyboard, I would recommend a little looking for it. And then we're gonna press Ctrl N. It would bring us to the last 2 pages, but since this is only a 2-page essay or gibberish, that's all we got. Most of these shortcuts though are mostly built for Chrome, so if you're doing Firefox, then I'm not guaranteed it's gonna work. Like some of them do work with the base ones, right? And then when you go deeper and do bold text, right, then I'm not sure if that's on Firefox. You could do some experimenting. Please comment down below and let me know. Shout out to Pittsburgh Girl, and that was 9. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. This is me, Pittsburgh Place here. I hope you enjoyed website shortcuts. Thank you for watching.